Hey, it's AP, and today we're making stick-on mirror frames. Oops. I went out. A couple weeks ago, we renovated our coat closet, and as part of that renovation, we put in a new mirror. Now, the fun thing about this mirror is that it's actually not black. I bought it and it was silver and I painted it black. I did that because there were no mirrors within a driving radius during this COVID craziness that had black full-length mirrors like this, so I kind of had to DIY it. Now normally when you paint a mirror frame, you're going to want to paint the front side and the back side, because what happens is if you don't paint the back side, that original color or bare wood or what have you is going to be reflected on the edges, and you don't want that. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to take the frame out of this because it's glued in place, and I didn't want to risk breaking the mirror because, 7 years bad luck, right? Right. We don't want bad luck. What this has left me with is something that only I'm really noticing because I'm the one who painted this, and that is I still see the silver shining through on the other side, but I also see some black paint. It's just a mess from when I painted this. So I have a solution, and that is making stick-on mirror frames. And it's actually not really a stick-on mirror frame, it's more stick-on mirror border. But if you have a mirror that is frameless and you want to put a frame on it, this whole solution works perfectly for that. You're just going to need a wider tape to support it. So let's head on down to the shop and whip up some stick-on mirror frames. Let's do it.
First, take your measurements, and remember, measure twice, cut once. Next, cut the wood. For this, I used some 5/16 panel molding. I lightly sanded the edges to get rid of any burrs from the cut, and then painted with the satin black to match the mirror color. It's important to paint both sides of the wood, otherwise the bare wood or original color will be reflected in the mirror. I used double-sided VHB tape here. It's super strong and very thin, so you get a very tight fit. I'll leave a link in the description. Make sure the mirror is clean. Peel off the backing and attach the frame. Now go slow and make sure your corners are aligned properly. And take your time here as the VHB tape is super sticky.
And that's it. The frame stayed on overnight, so I call that a win. The VBH tape stuck very nicely to the mirror and the wood. This is a super simple project. If you want to dress up any mirror, you just head on over and follow the steps that I outlined in the video, and you can turn something very boring into something pretty cool. Or you can use this process to hide crimes like I did in this instance. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you learned something today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down. Only one thumbs down though. Leave me a comment below if you found this helpful, if you've given it a try, or if it inspired you to do something interesting with your mirror. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.